Story time. So, I went to Goa last year with three of my friends, and it was a girls' trip. We had an early morning flight to Goa at 6 a.m. in the morning. So, we woke up at 3 o'clock in the night and flew from Bangalore to Goa. So, when we landed to Goa airport, we wanted to freshen up and also take our baggage from the belt. So, what we did is we split into two groups, and two of my friends first went to the washroom, and me and my other friend were waiting at the belt. Once they came back from the washroom, me and my other friend went to the washroom and they were waiting at the belt for the baggage. Now, this is where the real story starts. So, as I entered in the washroom, as you guys know, there is always a platform for keeping bags and your belongings. Hey, I'm keeping my bag here and I'm going to the washroom. Okay, just have a look. Yeah, okay. And I did the same thing. I kept my laptop bag and I went to do my business. Also, guys, please take note of this blue bottle of mine. It is everything for this story. And when I came back from the washroom, I took my bag as usual and we both went to the belt and joined our other friends. Now, while we were waiting at the belt for our baggages, I was a bit thirsty and I wanted to drink water. So I was just reaching out for my bottle in my bag, which was on the side stack of it. Now, you guys, we all have this muscle memory and we already know that where the bottle is already kept, right? So I was just finding my bottle. I was tapping on the bag, but I couldn't feel my bottle and I got a bit surprised. And I instantly thought, where's my bottle? This is not my bag. Where's my bottle? I hadn't feeling, took off my bag and saw. And when I saw the bag, it was not my bag. It was someone else's bag, but it was of the same company as mine, but it was not my bag. My bottle was disappeared and you could just figure out, right, that it's not your bag. The condition was different and I got big time panicked.
Guys, this is not my bag. What? Are you crazy? What are you talking about? Seriously, it's not my bag. I can't see my bottle over here. I always keep my bottle in this one. Check inside.
And let me also tell you guys that my laptop bag contained my MacBook, my cards, my keys, my wallet, my cash, my everything. Oh god, I messed up. My bag is gone and this is someone else's bag. Now, this was a time when a person's mind goes numb, he cannot think anything, everything goes blank in front of him. And that exact same thing was happening with me right now. And then immediately my friends also started to freak out and they were like,
Let's go check inside the washroom. Some other girl might have taken your bag and it must have gotten swapped.
you know what I was thinking? That I don't have to work from home actually now and I don't have to do remote job. We all bought work from home, but I don't have to do it now. Yay!
Okay, now come back to reality and find your damn bag.
So all of us ran towards the washroom to check if my bag is there already. And when we came inside the washroom, what we saw? The entire platform on the washroom was empty. Basically, my bag was gone. I was just blank. So by this time, we all were like, some girl obviously must have taken the bag by mistake. So we should probably look inside the bag if we can get some contact number and we can get to her. So we started to look inside the bag if we can get some contact. But unfortunately, this person had no contact inside the bag. We didn't even get a number or any name. There was just one guy's Aadhaar card, I guess. I don't entirely remember, but nothing was of use basically. Now, the master plan. Again, we split into two parts. So, two of my friends were like,
Okay, so two of you check on the flight counter and we both will go on the exit. Might be that person have not left yet.
and I was like, yeah, okay, fine. I am just doing what is told to me. Now, me and my other friend went to the flight counter lady and we told her everything. And that lady was like, off, and she did not help at all. She was like the least bothered person. We were just running around panicking, finding someone if we could help, but nothing was happening. So I don't remember. One guy came from the corner and told us that you could go to some other counter. some other counter. I don't even remember which counter. So we went to that counter to counter, but no help basically. So something was going on. We were talking to some other person. We were doing something, and meanwhile, my friend who went to the exit called me.
Come outside fast.
Imagine a group of ants who got to know that there is a huge pile of sugar nearby. How would they run towards it? Me and my friend ran at the exit like anything.
Look, isn't that your water bottle?
I looked into the direction she was pointing, about 8 or 10 feet away. There was a group of friends, maybe waiting for their cab. One of the girls from the group was actually wearing a bag with a blue water bottle.
That's my water bottle. And that's also my bag.
We immediately went to her, and it was a bit awkward actually. So I was like,
Excuse me. Yes? The bag which you're wearing is actually mine. What? No, it's not.
and I'm like, girl, she's unbothered. She doesn't even know that she has taken my bag by mistake.
No, it is actually my bag. You can see it has my water bottle, and if you want, you can even check the laptop inside it. That's mine. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see.
Like, seriously? I had a whole wave blank attack inside the airport, and she's like, oh, sorry. Anyways, she checked the bag and she realized that, yeah, it's not her bag, and the bag which I have is actually her bag. We swapped our bags, and her friends group were actually laughing on her, like basic laughing and teasing her that you took her bag, blah blah blah. I didn't even remember. I was just happy that I got my bag. I would like to thank my friend who actually saw my blue water bottle on time and identified my bag. Otherwise, it was impossible to find it. So basically, this was a thing of pure luck and timing, because think if they would have just sat in that car and went off somewhere, what would have happened? It would have been very difficult to find my bag, and oh my god, it was just an experience. So I happily got united with my bag, and we sat in the cab and went off to our stay. So yeah, this was the story of my Goa anecdote, and it was a very memorable start to the trip because it had huge amount of roller coasters of emotions. But yeah, it is a good memory to think about, and I'm really thankful that I got the bag on time, because it was just pure luck, I would say. Okay guys, so this was it for this video. Hope you guys like this story, and if you want to see more stories and videos like this, please do tell me in the comments and my Instagram DMs. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.